Hi guys, welcome to yet another video. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and joining the family. So today I want you guys to join me. Yeah, so I'll just be doing our evening routine, and as you can see, my house is on a mess. Yes, so today is on Saturday. On Sabbath we are from church, and we have just had lunch. As you can see, this was mboga and ugali and mala, and everything is here, and I need to sort everything. I need to do some cleaning, and then you just see how our weekend evenings, how they are normally. So yes, I hope you enjoy this video. If you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and joining the family. I just want to show you on this corner, these are a bunch of clothes that I have not folded. OMG guys, all of these. So these are a bunch of clothes that are here that have not folded, I think, for the entire week. Guys, yes, sometimes it gets crazy. Yeah, I work from home. I don't have a nanny. I have kids, and yes, everything. But one thing that I do is just giving myself some break, a step at a time. I just allow myself to do what I can do at that particular time. And now today I want to fold those clothes, but first, before folding those clothes, I want to wash the utensils that we've had lunch with, and then I just set everything, at least the kitchen ikae vizuri, ikae safi. Yes, so I hope you enjoy the video. If you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and join the family. Yay! Okay guys, my son wants to tell you something about his toys. Tell, say.
I have so many toys, and I have a drone too.
Where are they?
Here.
So that's your toys? Those are your toys?
Now I'm gonna put the video of the kids.
Okay, now do.
Wait a minute, I'll tell them one more thing.
Okay.
Even we have a camera.
A camera?
Yeah.
Okay, and you tell them to subscribe? Say, tell them subscribe.
Subscribe. Everyone you know. Everyone you know. All of even Mama buy that cool thing, and they buy us cameras, towel.
Yeah, so you tell them to do what?
Subscribe.